We're inside the Emperador Museum here in Iloilo. Emperador has been acquired by Fundador pala. Fundador pala yung binili ng Emperador. Ay, ka-nice. Very nice. Uy, kagaling oh.
Start po tayo dito sa malaking baral.
Ganun ba? Meron tayo.
Ganyan, okay ah.
So sa likod niyo ma'am yan yung oldest Fundador brand Jerez. So yung tanda niya po is 1800.
Fundador, no?
Oldest brandy pa.
So, kasi Emperador is naman recent lang, di ba? Oldest brandy, wow.
1800s daw.
Galing ah. No?
Galing
Oldest
naman,
brandy.
1800s.
Sige po.
A picture oh. Sige, ito tayo. Hello.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, another pose pa. 1, 2. Okay, last one, walkie pa. Okay, and another. Last one. Okay, ready? Ready? Ready everyone? Ready everyone? Say brandy!
Brandy. Anong relevance ng Magellan dito na story? Ba't may Magellan siya? Okay. Nice one.
So, dito po yung map po sir ng Andalusia. So, as you can see, this map is the zone of production direct or the zone area production of sherry. So, as you can see, this mark shows that triangular shape, called sherry triangle or magic triangle. So, it composed of 3 municipal boundary, which is Jerez de la Frontera, Sanlúcar de Barrameda, and El Puerto de Santa Maria. Our mas legally produced our brand. So dito po namin pinuproduce yung Fundador Sir Brandy.
Ang layo naman, no? From one end to the other end, no?
So,
Wow.
located po siya sa Spain po, sir.
Dalawin natin
yun
yun
pala.
pala.
So, if you are familiar with Fundador, Fundador is originated here in Jerez.
Oh,
So, it
Jerez
was
pala.
headed by Domecq family.
Okay.
So, the Domecq family started their business 1730 here in Jerez.
Kaya pala may makita tayong Domecq na Domecq family pala yung
Yes.
ito, this one. Mm.
6 years of brand.
Oh. 6 heroes of brandy. Maganda to. Maganda sa exam to ah. Who are the 6 heroes of brandy?
So, the first 3 men are the Domecq family. So, first Pedro Domecq Lambay. So, in 1794, he inherited from his uncle a sherry business.
This is the original guy talaga. Original nag-set up talaga, no?
So, he renamed this business Pedro Domecq. So, dito na po nag-start yung name na Pedro Domecq sa body ng brand.
Yung branding.
Yes, so siya po yung pangalan niya.
Galing.
Yung maon, is pinasa niya sa kanyang kapatid na si Juan Pedro Domecq Lambay. So, in 1864, siya naman po yung nag-expand ang company or nagpalago po. And pinasa niya sa kanyang nephew na si Pedro Domecq Lastao. So, dito na po nag-start yung Fundador or Brandy. So,
Siya nagpalago.
na-discover niya po yan accidentally.
Talaga? Accidentally ah?
Yes, kaya meron tayong brands.
Okay. That's nice.